Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang Selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang timeless love reading for you. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. General reading rin to. So, maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see. Virgo, what's going on in your love life? What's going on? Ayan, nalaglag na siya. Judgment. 7 of Cups. 9 of Swords. Oh. Someone here is a bit confused sa relationship mo. Pwedeng ikaw to. May confused. Merong nasa-stress na very challenging yung mga pinagdadaanan mo sa relationship mo, hindi ka na sigurado kung mahal mo pa tong taong to, or maaring yung person mo, hindi na rin siya sigurado kung mahal ka pa niya. And things are changing with the Judgment card. May nagbabago sa pakikitungo ninyo sa isa't isa. So, ano yung recent past? Ano yung recent past ng mga Virgo? This is your energy. It seems na this has been going on for quite a while, na pwedeng humingi kayo ng time away from each other. Pwedeng hindi kayo nag-uusap for quite a while, for quite some time. The Emperor. It seems like in the past, merong plano. May mga plano na dapat kayo ang gagawa together. Nagagawin nyo together pero hindi nangyari. Na maaring isa na lang sa inyo yung gagawa. Dahil hindi kayo nagkasundo. Pwede rin tong dapat may plano kayong magbakasyon together. Pero hindi nag-workout, may naging problema, nag-away kayo at isa lang yung tumuloy. Saan papunta tong relationship na to? Near future. King of Cups. 8 of Swords. I'm sensing here parang victim mentality na merong maninisi, no? Na ito kasi kasalanan mo yan eh. Ganon. So, tinan natin yung feelings ng person mo towards you. Ano yung feelings ng person? 10 of Cups. Ano yung feelings ng person ng mga Virgo? 8 of Cups. Walking away from a relationship or a situation. Parang may pag-iwas. Parang iiwasan yung family, even the family itself, no? Halimbawa, naging close na siya sa family mo. So, maaring pati yung relationship niya sa family mo, apektado rin. Kasi, umiiwas na siya eh. Umiiwas. Pwedeng hindi rin to nakikipag-usap sa family mo. Pwedeng naapektuhan yung relationship niya tsaka relationship niya sa family mo. Hindi lang sa'yo. Let's see your feelings. Ano yung feelings ng mga Virgo towards the person? 9 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles. You want to, gusto mong ayusin to. Posible kasi na alam mo na ikaw yung may pagkukulang or pagkakamali. Or alam mo na ikaw na lang yung magiging bigger person sa relationship na to para manuyo. Gusto mong suyuin eh. Parang to eh, ayaw na niya or naguguluhan na siya sa relationship ninyo. Pwedeng laging nag-aaway, laging nagsisisihan kung sino yung may kasalanan. And possible that your person is parang napagod na. And this person wants to take control of ng buhay niya, na siya na talaga yung magli-lead. But I think for you, you still want to work things out with your person. Especially if you have kids, kung may mga anak na kayo, or kung meron kayong negosyo together, kasi syempre, maapektuhan yung negosyo nyo kung ganito yung relationship. But definitely, medyo heavy yung energy ng relationship ninyo ngayon. Kailangan tong pag-usapan. Kailangan ito ng yung heart-to-heart talk, open forum, no holds bar, ganun. Yung talagang kailangan ma-express yung feelings. Kasi in the future, pwedeng magkaroon ng heavy dramatic confrontation, pero hindi pa rin mailalabas or may explain or may express yung gusto ng isa. Trust. Pwede nagkaroon ng trust issues itong relationship na to. Sabi rito, your faith in this relationship is needed. Date night. So, kailangan nyo nang mag-usap oras para sa isa't isa. And with this engagement, para kasing I think, meron dito sa relationship ninyo na naggusto ng higher level of commitment, na tipong saan papunta yung relationship ninyo. Ganon. Na possible that your person is hindi na niya alam kung may pupuntahan ba yung relationship na to. Pwedeng reversal yung energies ha. Pwede kasing matagal na kayo, tapos hindi nagiging parang walang growth, no? Pwedeng meron dito sa relationship ninyo na nakakaramdam na parang walang pag-unlad yung relationship ninyo on a romantic level. O diba, may confused na nga. I'm so confused about our relationship and occupied with cloudy thoughts. O, ayun na. It's on. I see you looking good and moving on. I don't care who you're talking to. I'm better. I will compete for you. Ooh. Sorry for breaking your trust. Ooh. Trust issues nga. Bakit? Bakit trust issue? So, siguro nga, merong pinagkatiwala, no, na ganito dapat yung gagawin, pero hindi natupad yung pinangako. So, ngayon, parang kayo nagko-compete sa isa't isa. Kung sino yung mas, yung tawag doon, sino yung susurrender. Love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. Simply acknowledge this as truth. So, it only means na kung talagang you really love each other. You will work things out. Meron kayong maiintindihan niyo yung bawat isa, or susubukan yung intindihin yung bawat isa para maging malinaw, kasi merong confusion dito sa situation na to eh. May naguguluhan. So, kailangan iklaro. Kailangan magkaroon ng heart-to-heart talk para ma-address yung problema. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.